Okay, there's a new function that I built in. This is copying option templates. For example, if I open this edit, let's say you created one VSC1. So we go down to VSC1, edit modifier. All right, let's say you want to copy this. Uh, what you could do is you could double click on this, and then you could send it up to the server. This is going to the cloud, and then you can name it. Um, for me, what I'm doing is I'm using 0, and then I'm putting in the description of the modifier. This is 0 means 0 is administrative, so don't use 0. Use your first initial or use your name. All right, so 0, and this is vegetarian, veg bread, and it's sending up to the server. All right, so if we do copy modifier, you're not gonna see the veg bread right now. So we're gonna leave this, get out, get out, and then we're gonna go get the option templates. This will go to the server and bring it all down. This is whenever you see this, this is talking to the server. Press any key when it continues, so just close it. Now I come in. All right, go to veg edit. Now let's say you want to copy modifier, and then you'll see all those zeros that just got downloaded. So let's say you want to make this veg bread, you could click it and it will become the veg bread options. Let's create something new. Let's just insert on the keyboard, or you could press insert up here. There's a little delay on the screen right now. All right, before, and then test, and then I say veg bread. I want to copy the modifier, the veg bread. All right, and then give it the one option, this, and then if you look inside of it, you'll see that this is in now. One of the benefits, you don't have to worry about doing the pictures. You don't have to redo a lot of work, so this should make everything faster. And if we go to VSC1, which we copied, if we look at it, it's the same one.